Welcome everyone in today's video of Quick Guide.
Hey there, HR professionals. Are you looking for the video to how to log in to the ADP official website? Just watch this complete tutorial video in order to get logged into the website. First, you need to open a Google Chrome and search for the keyword ADP HR login. As you can see, there is a login link. Click on this link. You will be redirected to the login page of ADP. As here you can see a button, switch this button to all logins. Here is a login options for employee, administrator and account login. Click on any one of these and you will be redirected to the login form of ADP. Here you have to fill user ID. Let me fill it as 12345 for it. If you want to get remembered, click on this. Simply click on this next button and now you have to fill the password. Make sure your password is correct. You have to fill the password of your account and simply click on this sign in button. And if all the credentials are correct, you will be logged in this ADP website. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.